I just told me, yeah, we gon' be straight. He saw me make $1 million off one damn play.
What it do, guys? Welcome to the channel where we are focused on building wealth in the stock market. All right, guys, today we're going to be talking about Sundial growers, and that's the ticker symbol Sndl, and we're going to break down what the company is looking like and what's going on with them, guys. Okay, so we've been having a lot of hype around this stock, but I want to do some research to figure out why. So that's why I'm making this video for you guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and get your free stocks down below in the description. But without further ado, guys, let's hop into the stock and see where it's at. All right, so as of right now, the stock is at $1.13. But let's look at the brief overview of what the company's all about. All right, guys. So I'm here on Robinhood. I'm going to read this off to you guys. So it says Sundial Growers Incorporated engages in the production and distribution of flour. If you guys know what I mean. Pre-rolls and vapes. They got it all, guys. They got it all.
Damn. This is some good shit.
It operates through the following segments: cannabis, ornamental flowers, and corporate. All right. The cannabis segment includes legal cultivation and distribution of cannabis products under federally regulated licenses issued by Health Canada. All right, guys. So they're straight out of Canada. And as you know, Canada has legalized recreational cannabis. All right, guys. So keep that in mind. It says the ornamental flower segment covers the legal operations of Bridge Farm. The corporate segment represents corporate activities and items allowed to reportable operating segments. Okay. The company was founded by Stanley J. Swiatek, I believe. I might have butchered that, and it says, and is headquartered in Calgary, Canada. Okay, ticker symbol Sndl, Sundial Growers. So that's the company breakdown. You know, just a little overview of what they're all about. So as I said earlier, they're at about $1.13 right now. So it's a penny stock. But let's not just quick to judge that. Usually I judge penny stocks. I'm not a big fan of penny stocks, but you know, I want to do my research. You always have to do your research. Make sure you guys always do your research on any company that you're willing to put your money in. All right, guys. So keep that in mind too. But I looked up some news, and here's what Sundial has been up to. All right. So one good thing is that it says, here's the article title: Sundial announces completion of financial restructuring and debt-free status. That is great. Okay, guys. Especially as a penny stock, investors will want to see that they're not accumulating a lot of debt. So the revenue that they do bring in is profit. All right, guys. So that is a bonus for this company right here. That was in December of 2020. We're in February now. So that is great that they are debt free. So I'll give them that. That's a bonus point for Sndl. All right, guys. And okay. Another thing in the news, they closed share offering. Let's see what the title is. Sundial Growers closes a $74.5 million offering after being targeted by Wall Street Bets. So this is one of those Wall Street Bets stocks. All right, guys. So be careful. Be careful with these. All right, guys. You don't want to get caught in the wrong entrance. You know, I don't want you guys to get lost up in that. But what I wanted to point out from this article is that it says that the Canada-based company currently has $610 million in cash. That is good as well. So another bonus points for Sndl. This is out of the penny stocks that I've reviewed so far, this is the one that I'm liking, hearing this good news. All right, guys, they're having some good news. They're debt-free, and they have cash on hand. Cash is king in the world, all right? Doesn't matter which aspect it is, but cash is king. Remember that, guys. So yeah, okay, so the stock is at about $1, but let's think about what could move this stock, okay? It's going to be all news and rumors with this so far, unless they have something that breaks through, their earnings push out, you know. So these are some key aspects that I believe could pump up this stock, all right, guys? Besides Wall Street bets, you know, some fundamental things that can pump up this stock. Let's see. All right, so it's going to be fueled around news and rumors. So if there's news that there's a lessening of restrictions, even in the US, okay? So let's think about it like this. The cannabis stock sector is fueled off of restrictions, okay? Restrictions, and in particular, the lessening of restrictions. We need the lessening of restrictions so that these sectors can pop and they're not regulated on things that they can and can't do. All right, guys, we need these companies to flourish and grow. So it's great if they're not being held down or held back because of certain guidelines and regulations. All right, guys. So we need to keep that in mind. So if there is news that the US has lessened their restrictions, this stock is going to go up. All right, guys, keep that in mind. So that's what is going to fuel this stock. It's all about what people think, what investors think is going to happen next. So if there is news that, let's say the US legalizes recreational cannabis, as did Canada, this stock is going to blow up, because then that gives this company a chance to venture out into other areas outside of Canada and just grow and expand their company, their business, guys. So that is something to keep in mind. All right. But other than that, this seems like an okay company. It's not bad. I'm just ready to watch and see what happens. I'm not a big penny stock investor. I like investing in stocks that I know are going to perform and give me money back. All right, guys. So I'll be keeping this on watch. Let me know what you guys' thoughts on this stock are as well. And that is it for this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. So let's get it and let's go.
I just told me, yeah, we gon' be straight. He saw me make $1 million off one damn play.